Welcome to the SNGREP Quick Start Guide, presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll be using SNGREP to save our SIP conversations to a Pcap filter file. There are two ways to capture the Pcap file for SNGREP. The first way is to use the TAC-O option on the command line. The second and more robust way is to use the Save Dialog box. Let's start by pressing the F2 key. This should bring up the Save Dialog box. The path field is the file location where you'd like to save your capture file. The file name text field is where you will enter the file name of your choosing. The Dialogs box gives you options on which conversations you wish to save. All dialogs will save all SIP conversations captured by SNGREP. Selected dialogs will allow you to pick and choose which conversations you wish to save. You can choose the conversations by hovering over each one and pressing the spacebar key. Finally, filtered dialogs will only save the SIP conversations that are currently being filtered. Format gives you options on which file format you wish to save your capture. .pcap SIP is just a SIP packet capture file without any RTP audio data. .pcap SIP plus RTP will be a packet capture file with SIP data and RTP audio data. Please note that if you want a Pcap file with RTP audio data, you will need to run the SNGREP command with the TAC "r" option. Finally, the txt file is just a simple, human-readable text file of the captured SIP conversations. Once you have saved your Pcap file, you can then open it up in Wireshark or any other packet inspection tool. Wireshark has some great tools to help troubleshoot telephony issues. We will cover Wireshark in depth in upcoming videos. If you have any further questions, please check out support.voxtelesys.com.